Good morning everyone, I am Jenny and Francisco, taking of Bachelor Elementary Education, 2nd Youth College. The topic that I will discuss today is all about classification of animals. Scientists classify all living things into three large groups called kingdoms. The first is animal kingdom, the second is plant kingdom, and the third is Vertebrates kingdom. The animal kingdom is the largest of the 5 existing kingdoms on planet Earth. The scientific classification system is divided into 7 major groups. The first is kingdom, the second is phylum or division, the third is class, fourth is order, fifth is family, sixth is genus, and 7 is species. The kingdom is the largest group and a species is the smallest. The second is plant kingdom. It is a broadly composed of 4 evolutionarily related groups: the bryophytes or mosses. The second is seedless vascular plants. The third is gymnosperm or cone-bearing seed plants, and the last is angiosperms or flowering seed plants. And the Vertebrates kingdom is the term protista is derived from the Greek word prostistos, meaning the very first. Protists are simple eukaryotic organisms that are neither plants nor animals or fungi. Protists are unicellular in nature but can also be found as a colony of cells. Most protists live in water, damp terrestrial environments, or even as parasites. The study concerned with grouping of living things is called taxonomy. Carlos Linnaeus, a Swedish botanist, is considered to be the father of taxonomy. There are 2 main groups of animals. The first is vertebrates. This is animals with a backbone. They have a hard skeleton made of bone that support the body's tissue and anchor muscle. The animals include mammals, reptiles, amphibians. The mammals give birth to live babies and feed them milk, hair, or fur and body. And the reptiles have dry, scaly skin and lay eggs. And the amphibians have moist skin and can live on land and in water. And the second groups of animals is invertebrates. These animals is without backbone. In fact, invertebrates don't have any bones at all. Invertebrates that you be familiar with include spiders, worms, snails, lobster, crabs, and insects like butterflies. The animals include arachnids, echinoderms, annelids. The arachnids have 8 legs. The word arachnids means spider in Greek. And the echinoderms starfish belong to a group of animals called echinoderms. This means spiny skin. The annelids is also called ringworm, and they are segmented worms. Animals can be classified according to the food they eat. The first is herbivores. These animals eat plants. The example of animals include in the herbivores is zebra, sheep, and deer. And the carnivores, these animals eat other animals. These include lion, tiger, vultures. And the other example of carnivores is spider and other animals that include carnivores. The last group, according to the food they eat, is omnivores. These animals eat plants and other animals. The first animals is hedgehogs, fox, and wild boar. That's all my topic. Thank you.